Imagine this: you've finally navigated the wild west of cryptocurrency, built a portfolio you're proud of, and you're starting to feel that sweet, sweet sense of digital ownership. But there's always that nagging question, isn't there? The what if that keeps you up at night. What if your exchange gets hacked? What if your online wallet gets compromised? You've heard the horror stories, the lost fortunes, the digital ghosts of wallets past. You know you need to take control, to step up your security game, but the world of hardware wallets can feel daunting. Enter Tangem. Sleek, NFC-enabled, and promising a simplified approach to cold storage. It's the card that looks like it could hold the keys to your digital kingdom, and, frankly, you're intrigued. But, if you're like most people, you're probably already invested in a major exchange, like Coinbase. So, the burning question is, does Tangem play nice with Coinbase? Can these two worlds coexist, or are you looking at a digital standoff? Let's be real, moving your assets around can be a pain. You've spent time building your portfolio on Coinbase, getting comfortable with its interface, and you don't want to jump through hoops just to secure your crypto. You want seamless integration, a smooth transition, the kind of experience that doesn't feel like pulling teeth. So, here's the breakdown. Tangem, at its core, is designed to be a self-custodial solution. This means you, and only you, control your private keys. It's a fundamental shift from keeping your assets on an exchange, where they're essentially held in a custodial wallet. Now, here's the crucial point: Tangem doesn't directly integrate with Coinbase in the sense of a built-in, one-click connection. Instead, it operates independently. You don't manage your Coinbase account through the Tangem app. However, this doesn't mean they're incompatible. Absolutely not. Think of it like this: Coinbase is your exchange, the place you buy and sell. Tangem is your personal vault, the place you store your precious assets long-term. You can easily transfer your cryptocurrencies from your Coinbase account to your Tangem wallet. It's a transaction, just like sending crypto to any other wallet address. This process involves a few steps. You'll need to generate a receiving address on your Tangem card using the Tangem app. Then, you'll initiate a withdrawal from your Coinbase account, pasting that Tangem address as the destination. It's a standard crypto transfer, and, while it might seem like an extra step, it's the very step that gives you that crucial layer of security. The beauty of this system is its flexibility. You're not locked into any single platform. You can buy on Coinbase, or any other exchange, and then secure your assets with Tangem. This separation gives you the best of both worlds, the convenience of a major exchange and the security of a dedicated hardware wallet. The Tangem app is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through the transfer process. It's built with simplicity in mind, aiming to demystify the complexities of hardware wallets. It's about empowering you to take control of your digital assets, to become your own bank. So, to answer the initial question directly, yes, Tangem works with Coinbase, in the sense that you can seamlessly transfer your cryptocurrencies from Coinbase to your Tangem hardware wallet. They're not directly integrated, but they're perfectly compatible. You can use Coinbase as your on-ramp and Tangem as your secure vault. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.